Thank you for joining me. If you've not followed me, please do follow me. Check out my other t-shirt design course. This is another class for my t-shirt design, and today I'm going to be designing something very unique. So without wasting much of your time, my Skillshare students, let's get straight right to it. Remember to watch all my other courses. They are fun to watch and straight to the point. So let's make this straight to the point too. So I'm opening up my Photoshop. As you can see. I love to design. Then go to File, New. I love to design 4500 by 5400 pixels. Just set yours like this. Press OK. You press OK. Let's wait for it to load. Kind of taking time, a whole lot of time. I don't know what is happening, but please follow me so you miss any part of it. So now we have that opened up. You come over to this padlock, you can see here, and you double tap, press OK. We are doing this so that at the end of the day we can turn off this background, as you can see. So for now I'll just leave the background on. Then I'll go to the site I normally use. If you've watched my other classes, you know I'm a fan of flat icons. So that's where I get my element from, and I always give credits to the creator. So please, if you're going to be using this site to download yours, please always remember to give credit to the designers. It's really important. You will not want to use something to make money or for yourself and not give credit to who took the time out to make it. So please, let's always learn, let's cultivate the culture to always give credit to who deserves it. So now I'll just search for dinosaur. Just search for dinosaur. My design is going to be around that today. Let's wait for it to open. So now we'll have that. So I'll just go through and try to find something cool. Just try and find something cool. As you can see, this would have been a good choice, but it's paid. As you can see, when you see the gold crown, you know it's a paid design. So we just scroll till we can find something. So like this. Like this. So I'll download this. Remember to always give credit. Always give credit, please, and please always give credit. You can see this is downloading. So always give credit, very important. Let's give credit. Now that we've got that dead, I've got that downloaded. My system is really hanging. I don't know why that is happening. So the next step, sorry for me being silent, I was just trying to sort things out, and I don't edit my videos so that I don't take out some parts and you think it's not super easy to design. So that's why you see I follow my video to the very end. So let's go. We are in 5 minutes into this. In no time we should be done. So now I'll bring my design I'll bring my design into this, into my layer, which I've already opened. It's loading. Sorry, it's loading quite slow. I don't know why. All my other videos were not like this, but I'm gonna deliver this. Nothing will stop me from delivering this to you so that you can learn something new. My aim is to deliver, and I will deliver. So you increase it. So to increase it is quite simple. As you can see, when you first move it into this side, let me just press enter. Press enter. See, you have it. So to increase it, I'll just do my Ctrl T to increase it. Then I'll do my alter button, my alter key button, my shift key button, my left mouse key button, and drag outward to increase. Just drag outward to increase. So when I'm done, I'll release my hand from my left mouse button and my other two buttons and press enter. As you can see, we have that now. So now I'll just insert my word, and for this it's gonna be still waiting. So you can see it's quite small. So what I'll do is to click on this, then I'll do Ctrl T again to highlight it. As you can see, it's highlighted. Over my mouse to it, like get this double arrow. Then I'll do my alter key button, shift key button, my left mouse key button again, and I'll drag it out. Drag it out, and I'm okay with that. I'll just press enter. So now let me just position it in the middle. So I would like to change the color. Now I might leave it like this. So what I'll just do is to double tap on this edge, come to strokes, click on strokes, click on strokes again. I'm gonna just take brown from here, and I'll increase this to about 10. That's 20. So now I'll press OK. So now the next thing I want to do to this design, is just to make it a little bit, or slant it. Press enter, come back here, just do the double dot. As you can see, it's quite small. I'll do Ctrl T to highlight that, and I'll alter key button, shift key button, left mouse key button. So you have that. I'll just press enter. Sorry about that. Ctrl T, alter key button, shift key button, left mouse key button, drag, press enter. This I'll just position it again. I'll just make it curve. As you can see, I have that curve. So I'll just move, pressing my left mouse key button, I'll just move this about. Just bring it here. Bring it here. Do something like this. Just press enter. I just have to change that. I'll do Z. Do the Z. Ctrl T. So we have this. I'll just move it up. Now I'll press down on my Alt key button to duplicate this. As you can see, duplicate it once more. So I'll just hover my mouse on this, press down my Alt key button, click left click and duplicate again. So we have the design ready. For this, still waiting. I want to change the color. So I'll just double click, color overlay, I'll change it to dark brown. Let me make it black. So we have it like this. Just press OK. Okay. Then the stroke, I'll put the stroke off. Okay, let me go back to the stroke. So I'll double tap here, strokes, and just reduce it, or make it black. Make it green. Make it green, and let's see if we increase it, what happens. So I think this is okay. Let me put that 30. Just press OK. So remember what I told you, the next step is to put this layer off, layer 0. Just click on this, goes off. Now we'll save this as, save it as die. Save it as JPEG, PNG. Save it as PNG again. Go and transfer it to our t-shirt. We'll save it as PNG. Please follow me to the end so that you can understand it fully. Please. So that you can understand it fully. You can see we're just about 40 minutes into this video, and we should be done in no time. Do fast, interlay, press OK, saving. Saving. Please, if you've not watched my other videos, please endeavor to watch them. They are super short and easy to follow. Just check my profile, you see them, watch them, follow them, so that you don't miss out on next week upload. we have that saved already. So the next step is to get the 3D mockup. 3D mockup sell more. So if you're planning to sell your t-shirt, then you need to transfer it to your 3D mockup. And the 3D mockup I'm going to be using for this particular one, the hanger mockup. The hanger mockup, you can get it from this site. It's called freepik.com. Once you open freepik.com, just go to the search bar and search t-shirt design mockup, t-shirt mockup. You can just search t-shirt mockup and you get it. You can see this is it. I've opened it. So where it says your design goes here, your design goes here. I'll just double tap, okay. I'll press delete to delete this design. Then I'll come back here, picture, this is it. So I'll just drag it into my design, drag it into my design, to my layer. Just drag it into my layer. As you can see, it's quite big, so I have to reduce it. So to do that, I'll just hover my mouse to this edge, do what I told you from the beginning, or pressing down your Alt key button, pressing down your Shift key button, pressing down your left mouse click key button. You drag inwards to reduce, you drag outward to increase. So just drag it inward to reduce, you press enter. Now come here and click on save. That was the message we got earlier, so we'll click on save. And now once we come back, as you can see, it's on our shirt, ready for us to wear and use. So now we'll just save it as die full, save it as JPEG. Just save it. Okay. So it's done, it's saved. That's all we need to do. It's not complicated. T-shirt design is fun. T-shirt design is fun and simple to do. All you need to do is just follow simple steps. And if you watch my order, I have about 5 t-shirt design classes up already. If you follow them to the letter, you'll be able to design proper t-shirt design that sells and makes money. See you next week Friday. Thanks for watching. Please follow me, subscribe, and have a wonderful weekend. My name remains David Osamoje.